Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to trade Bitcoin for USDT. Now let us begin. Well, right here this is the interface and I have already logged in case you have not do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to change Bitcoin to USDT. At the top left on the navbar, you can see a button like this called as Trade. Simply hover over it. And right here you can see something called as Spot. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Currently, as you can see, I am on Bitcoin to USDT. In case it's not the same for you, on the right hand side there is a search bar. Simply type BTC and you can see the options. Right here the very top one is Bitcoin to USDT. Click on it. And now let us just scroll down. And guys, as you can see, there are two sections. Right now we want to trade it for USDT. So I'm simply gonna enter the Bitcoin amount right here. And that is it. Once everything is okay with you, simply click on sell BTC and just follow along the procedures. This is how we convert Bitcoin to USDT. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.